In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix green line on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a perfectly straight vertical green line is caused by a failure in the display IC or a damaged OLED ribbon cable. So there's two different things you can do. The first is the pinch method. Sometimes a loose connector is to blame. So gently but firmly pinch the area at the very top of the screen near the front camera and at the bottom near the charging port. If the line flickers or disappears, that means the internal cable is loose. So basically, Apple actually has a free repair program, and it's for older models like the iPhone 13 and 14 Pro that frequently develop green lines after software updates. So what you can do is go to Apple support site, and if your serial number qualifies for a free screen replacement, you can go to your local Apple store, or you can ship it to Apple for completely free and get it fixed from them. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you don't know about yet.